Hey, beautiful people. Today, I am inspired by my nephew, Chef Finest Wine. You must go to his channel, check him out. He be making such beautiful meals, so pleasing to the eyes, that today, he got me making soup. He made this beautiful chicken soup. But today what I'm making, I am making broccoli soup. Let me tell you what my broccoli soup consists of, because I'm not going to be showing everything that I have. Just a few items, ingredients I'm going to show you. So the broccoli soup I'm making, you need a broccoli. You need broccoli, 1.5 broccoli, 1 carrot, and an onion chopped up, right? This onion I got here is it's kind of big on, but I'm going to use most of it. So what you do, clean your veggies and whatnot. Your carrot, chop it up, clean it, chop it up. Your broccoli, chop it up. And then you put it in a pot with 4 cups of chicken broth and 4 tablespoons of butter, right? And you let that simmer. And you also can put, let me see. You could put you'll put 3 tablespoons also of flour in it while it's cooking. Then after that, I'm gonna show y'all what's next. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna watch my veggies and put this pot on the boil, and I shall be back later. Okay, y'all, so I just finished cleaning my veggies, and this is what it looked like. Getting ready to do its thing. Now the next step I'm gonna do, this is my 4 cups of chicken broth. I make my own chicken broth because I like to control my own sodium. So there you go. I'm gonna put it on and let it cook. Let it cook till the vegetables are tender, and then I'm gonna show you the next step to this beautiful, wonderful broccoli soup. I am inspired by my nephew, Chef Fine as Wine. You must check him out. He's fine too, y'all. Your single ladies, all right? I'll be back. Oh, just in case you want to know the flour. Instead of 4, what I said, it's supposed to be 3 tablespoons, I put 2. Did y'all see that? I'm gonna show y'all at the end of this video, I was using my my hand blender. I had this hand blender like for years. And what it did, it blew out my lights. I guess I'd say I didn't make broccoli soup in a long time. So I guess this here, I don't know. It must, whatever. I gotta buy me a new one. So anyway, I was thinking, I said, okay, what can I use to finish off my soup? Because you need a blender because you gotta make it smooth. So I was thinking, can't use a hand blender because that's, which I did try. I said, let me see what this hand blender gonna do. Just make stuff scatter too much and it's not cut, you know, like smoothing it out like I want to. Then I thought about it, I said, hold it now. Hold up. You got this here. So we're gonna try this here. So I know this ain't gonna blow out because this is not old. So we're gonna try this. Oh God, let's see what's going on. We're gonna pour the soup in here. Because we gotta do this. Gotta get this thing right. Because it gotta be smooth. Alright? So, let me tell y'all. Y'all hear water in the background? I'm a person that runs water when I'm in the kitchen. So anyway, we're gonna see what we're gonna do. Gonna do this here. Let me put this in for y'all can see. Okay. What we got here? Let's see. We're gonna put it on. Pays to buy gadgets just in case emergencies like this here happen. Like what one thing don't do, something else will. And it came out, shoot, quick and fast. How my man Colin Smith say, quick and fast. Look at this here. This is ready. Cause this is soup, y'all. Soup is ready. It is ready. Maybe I got a few more little tidbits in here. I'm gonna put it right in here and smooth it out just a little bit more. Gotta do what we gotta do. I'm gonna wash this pot out while it's doing that. And pour the soup right back in this pot. Okay. Now here we go. Let's go. So we got the pot. Back in action. Now we're gonna pour our soup back into this pot. Look at that. Look at that. Broccoli soup. Broccoli soup, yo. Some of you might be saying, let me tell you something. This is so good and it's so healthy for you. You'll see all the ingredients in there. This is good for you, healthy for you. Especially if you're a soup lover, you like soup. This will work. You can, I got a recipe like for French bread. You buy some French bread, get some olive oil and some crushed red peppers and a little bit of salt, and you just mix the butter and milk the butter and put the little red peppers, the red peppers and the olive oil together, and put it in the oven, let it get a little crunchy. And you got you some soup. Look at that. That's beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful. Now that's soup. Let me give it a good little taste. Let me let y'all see my face. Okay? You ever see some people making stuff? They be making stuff, but they won't show you. They won't show you when they put it in their mouth because they know it's nasty. I'm gonna show you because it's good. Dang. How Chef Carmen do it? Yo, that's it. Peace, y'all. Hey, y'all. This is it. This is how I look. Look delicious. Look pretty good. Pretty good. So now we're working on the final step. The final step is you use a half a cup of heavy cream. And then you need a hand blender. Here we go. It's gonna be noisy, y'all. Oh, not too bad. I used to make this soup all the time. I haven't made this soup like in. Ooh. Did my lights blew out? Hold it down. That's a good one. Hold on.